How to turn off Discord notification sound. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can turn off notification on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, log in into the discord.com, and once you're logged in, now you have to head over to your user settings. So navigate to the bottom left corner, there is the settings icon, that is user settings. Once you land on your settings page, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, scroll down a bit, and under app settings, there is an options for notifications. You have to click on it. After that, you land on your notification page. Here you can either turn off or turn on your notifications. In my case, it is already turned on. So to turn off, all you have to do is simply toggle off this right here. And in this way, you can turn off notification for Discord. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.